Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to write a professional job application letter for a pool cleaner position. If you're someone who wants to work in pool maintenance, pool servicing, or general outdoor cleaning work, this video will guide you step by step so you can understand exactly what to include and how to write each part clearly and professionally. A job application letter is a formal letter written to an employer to show your interest in a specific job. It introduces who you are, highlights your relevant skills and experience, and explains why you're a strong candidate for the role. For a pool cleaner position, this letter is especially important because employers need to know that you are reliable, detail-oriented, capable of working independently, and familiar with the essential technical tasks involved in keeping pools safe and clean. Now, let's start breaking down the sample letter, beginning with the applicant's personal information placed neatly at the top left side of the page. Evan Carter, 229 Westbrook Lane, Mesa, Arizona, 85201. Email: evan.carter@email.com. Phone: 480-552-9184. This section is extremely important because it tells the employer exactly who you are and how they can contact you. You want to make sure that your email address looks professional, your phone number is correct, and your address is written clearly. Having accurate and well-organized contact information shows responsibility and professionalism, which gives the employer a positive first impression before they even begin reading the main content. Next, we include the date. Date: July 15th, 2026. Adding a date is part of standard business letter formatting. It helps the employer understand when the letter was written and keeps their records organized. Even though it's a small detail, formatting matters because it shows that you understand how to write formal documents, which helps establish trust. After that, we include the employer's information. Hiring manager, Clearwave Pool Services, 8740 Blue Water Circle, Glendale, Arizona, 85303. This section tells the employer that the letter is addressed directly to them. If you know the hiring manager's name, you can replace hiring manager with their actual name. But when you don't have that information, using the neutral hiring manager is perfectly acceptable. Including the company name and full address also shows that you are applying specifically to their business, not sending the same letter to multiple companies. That small effort makes your application feel more purposeful. Next comes the subject line. Subject: application for pool cleaner position. The subject line is clear and direct. It tells the employer right away why you're writing the letter. When businesses receive many applications for different job roles, having a subject line helps them quickly identify what position you're applying for and keeps everything organized. It also adds a clean, professional structure to your letter. Now we arrive at the salutation. Dear Hiring Manager, this is the greeting of the letter. It sets the tone, so it should always be polite and professional. As mentioned earlier, if you know the name of the person reading your application, you may use Dear Mr. or Dear Ms., followed by their last name. But if the name isn't available, Dear Hiring Manager works perfectly. Now let's go into the first main paragraph of the letter, which introduces the applicant and summarizes their relevant experience. I am writing to apply for the pool cleaner position at Clearwave Pool Services. With 2 years of hands-on experience maintaining residential and commercial pools, I have developed strong skills in water testing, chemical balancing, debris removal, equipment inspection, and routine system maintenance. I am confident in my ability to provide reliable and high-quality service to your clients. This paragraph is important because it immediately tells the employer who you are and why you're qualified. The applicant clearly mentions their 2 years of experience. This tells the employer that they already understand the job. Then, the applicant lists specific skills such as water testing, chemical balancing, and equipment inspection. These are core responsibilities for pool cleaners, and mentioning them shows that the applicant understands the technical side of the job. When writing your own letter, always use this first paragraph to highlight your strongest and most relevant skills. Now let's move on to the second main paragraph. In my previous role at Desert Sparkle Pools in Mesa, I managed a route of over 30 weekly pool accounts, ensuring each pool remained clean, safe, and properly balanced. I routinely inspected pumps and filters, resolved minor equipment issues, and communicated clearly with customers about pool conditions and recommended services. I take pride in being punctual, detail-oriented, and consistent in delivering excellent results. This paragraph gives more detailed evidence of the applicant's abilities. It tells the employer what they actually did in their previous job, rather than just listing skills. Managing over 30 weekly pool accounts shows that the applicant is responsible and capable of handling a busy work schedule. Mentioning pump and filter inspections highlights technical understanding. Communicating with customers shows customer service skills, which is extremely important in service-based jobs. The last sentence, mentioning punctuality and consistency, reinforces professionalism. When writing your own letter, use this paragraph to explain real tasks you handled and the results you delivered. Now let's look at the next paragraph. Clearwave Pool Services' commitment to customer satisfaction stands out to me, and I would be honored to contribute to your team's continued success. I am available for an interview at your convenience, and I can be reached by phone or email. Thank you for considering my application. This paragraph shows that the applicant has taken the time to learn about the company. Employers love to see this because it shows genuine interest. It's also polite and professional to mention your availability and remind them how to contact you. The closing sentence thanking the employer shows respect and appreciation, which helps leave a positive impression. Next, we reach the signature block. Sincerely, signature. Evan Carter. Sincerely is a standard professional closing. It maintains a polite tone. Then the applicant's name appears again to finalize the letter. To end this video, let's go over a few general tips. When you're writing a job application letter for a pool cleaner position, or any job, the most important things to focus on are clarity, professionalism, and relevance. Highlight the skills that matter most for the role. Explain your real experiences, and make sure the employer can see you as someone reliable and easy to work with. Keep your formatting clean, use simple and direct sentences, and always proofread before sending. Thank you for watching Writing Tutorials. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more step-by-step writing lessons.